Welcome everybody, Steve here. Hey, it's time to start sanding on these running boards, and sanding in these grooves here is really quite unfun. So what I'm going to do, and this is just an attempt, I'm going to take, this is a blade off my osculating saw, so I'm going to cut it down. This is a wore out one. Cut it down to about 3/4. I'm going to put some Velcro on there, and then I'll just put some 320 on it, and I'll just see if that is going to work for this. I think it's kind of genius. Okay, well, we'll just see. I want this to be about 3/4 of an inch, so I'm just going to use a piece of 3/4 inch tape. There we go. Now I'll just take the zip cut and we'll cut this out. Somehow I missed pushing play. Okay, so I put a little bit of the Velcro. This stuff isn't really good, but we'll see how it works. And I was just going to grab a piece of sandpaper and hook her up. Well, that worked really good, and I'm using just an old piece of 320 here. It'll work even better when I put a new piece on. You know, the big thing is you got to have Velcro. You got to have the right type of sandpaper. You just can't put any regular sandpaper on there. But I've got lots of that because that's what I use in the shop. So I think it's going to be even a little bit faster. If anything, it's going to be a lot more fun. So there you have it. It works. Now, got to make sure you got your everything, turned down to low. You don't want it going crazy on you, lose control and start scratching everything up. This has done a really, really good job. Yeah, take a little bit of the anxiety out of sanding out running boards. Anyway, give that tip a try. It's going to work for me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.